Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive nail art brushes? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how to make your very own nail art brushes at home. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create professional quality nail designs without breaking the bank. Let's get started. But before we dive into the creative process, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our fantastic nail art tutorials. Here's what you'll need for this DIY project: some wooden dowels, fine paint brushes, a pair of scissors, super glue, and some beads or charms for decoration. These materials are readily available and won't cost you a fortune. Step 1. Preparing the wooden dowels. First, let's start by preparing the wooden dowels. You can find these at your local craft store. Cut them into different lengths depending on the type of brushes you want to create. Longer dowels for larger brushes and shorter ones for fine details. Step 2. Choosing bristles. Now, for the bristles. We're going to repurpose fine paint brushes. Choose brushes with the type of bristles you desire. If you want thinner lines, go for brushes with finer bristles. Step 3. Attaching bristles to dowels. Using super glue, carefully attach the bristles to the wooden dowels. Make sure they are secured firmly. You can trim the bristles to the desired length for more precision. Step 4. Adding a decorative touch. To add a personal touch to your DIY brushes, consider decorating them with beads or charms. This step is entirely optional, but it can make your brushes not only functional but also beautiful. Step 5. Letting the brushes set. Allow your newly crafted nail art brushes to set and dry for a few hours. This ensures that they are ready for use. And there you have it, your very own homemade nail art brushes. They are not only budget-friendly but also customizable to suit your creative needs. Now, let's see these brushes in action. As you can see, these DIY nail art brushes work like a charm. You can create intricate designs, fine lines, and stunning details with ease. Say goodbye to expensive nail art tools, and say hello to your very own homemade arsenal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love nail art as much as you do. And don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts and ideas for future videos. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make nail art brushes at home. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. For more exciting DIY nail art tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.